Hello guys, good morning. Good morning to you all. Today, let's start with our morning routine. Okay, so everyone stand up, and let's start. Okay. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Good morning. Good morning. Hello and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello and how are you? Good morning. Good morning. Hello and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello and how are you? In the morning, I clap my hands. In the morning, I do my dance. In the morning, I shout hooray! This is going to be a wonderful day. Good morning. Good morning. Hello and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello and how are you? Good morning. Good morning. Hello and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello and how are you? In the morning, I clap my hands. In the morning, I do my dance. In the morning, I shout hooray! This is going to be a wonderful day. Good morning. Good morning. Hello and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello and how are you? Good morning. Good morning. Hello and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello and how are you? Hello and how are you? Hello and how are you? Very good. Okay. Now, how are you today? How are you today? How are you today? How are you guys? Me? I am good. Yes, me. I am good today. Okay, guys. Today, what's the weather like? What's the weather like? Did you see something strange? Today, the weather isn't that good. No, it's not. Yes, today's a bad weather. Look at this. Look at this. Today, it's foggy. Foggy. Yes, see, you can't see anything. It's all foggy. Today, it's foggy. It's foggy. This is a new thing, okay? Foggy. And this is foggy. We woke up to a very foggy, strange day, okay? Now, okay guys, this is our calendar. Remember our calendar. Okay, so today is Thursday. Thursday, 25th to 5, 25th, 25th February. It is winter. It's still winter. It's morning. And today it's foggy. Look, foggy. Okay? So, let's all repeat. Today is Thursday, 25th February. It is winter. It is morning. And it is foggy. Foggy, very good. And the year is 2021. Good job, everyone. Okay, now let's repeat our alphabet. Okay? Let's repeat our alphabet. Okay. A, apple, apple, alligator, bug, B, ball, ball, B, ball, cat, C, cake, hat, cake, dog, dog, D, duck, 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 E, egg, egg, E, elf, elf, F, fork, fork, F, food, food, G, girl, girl, G, guitar, guitar, H, hat, H, hamster, I, insect, I, iguana, J, jet, J, joker, joker, K, kid, kid, K, king, king, L, lion, lion, L, log, log, O, M, man, man, M, monkey, monkey, N, nut, nut, N, nest, nest, O, olives, O, olives, O, octopus, octopus, P, pig, pig, P, pool, see, Q, quilt, quilt, Q, queen, queen, R, rocket, rocket, R, raccoon, raccoon, S, sailor, sailor, S, sun, sun, T, tiger, tiger, T, tent, tent, U, up, U, umbrella, umbrella, V, van, V, vegetables, W, wagon, wagon, W, water, water, X, fox, X, box, Y, yarn, yarn, Y, yuck, Z, zebra, Okay, guys, now I want to do the parts of the day. Okay, remember morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Okay, now, what is this? What is this? What is it? It's the, right now, it's the, when we wake up, it's morning. Yes, it's morning. Good job. Okay. Now it's afternoon. Afternoon. After morning, we have afternoon. Okay. Then we have the evening. Evening. The evening is when the sun is starting to go to sleep. It's starting to set. See? The sun, it's starting to go bye-bye. And it's evening. Evening. Okay? After evening, when we go to sleep, we have night. Night. Okay? Night. So, now we have morning. Morning. We have afternoon. Afternoon. We have evening. Evening. And night. Night. Morning. Afternoon. Evening. Night. Okay? What's this? Afternoon. See, the sun is up. Afternoon. Okay? Here, morning. The sun wakes up. See, the sun wakes up. Here, the sun is going to sleep. So it's evening. Evening. Here, we have the moon. The moon. It's time for us to go to sleep. Okay? So, let's repeat again. Let's repeat again. Okay? Let's repeat again. So, we have morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Night. Evening, afternoon, and morning. Morning. Very good. In the morning, the sun wakes up. Yes, the sun wakes up. In the afternoon, the sun goes up. Okay, it goes up. In the evening, the sun goes to sleep. It sets. It sets. The sun sets. Sunset. Okay? And at night, the moon comes out and we go to sleep. Very good. Very, very good. Okay. Now. Okay, guys. And with this, we are finished. Okay? We are finished. I will see you tomorrow, okay, with another video. Bye, guys. Bye. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Good morning.